Hello everyone, good evening. So let's get started with the performance. From today on, the performance report will be uploaded between 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. IST. All right, Indian Standard Time. So let us see. This is NAS 100. See how so beautifully this region was formed as a zone. All right, and we got rejection from here. We got opportunity to short. After this consolidation, we had to wait for this level to be tested, and we waited for it. We got a confirmation in this candle, and we shorted it, and we got a good 1, 2, 3 targets done. Okay, we booked here. All right, now let us see the next one. Next one is US 30. Similarly, in US 30, this was a zone formed. We waited for the retest and sharp from there. We got this rejection and we made an entry below this confirmation and retest. Alright, and the trade went on, giving 1, 2, 3, 4 targets done. Alright, see, this was also a triangle pattern formation, a sort of a flag, and we got a good move here as well. Okay. Intraday scalping and moving level taking positional trades is the most fun part in the forex trading. All right, see, now this is Euro USD. Okay, see, what do we have here? This is a zone formation over here. Okay, this is a technical pattern. Let me know which technical pattern is this in the comment section, because this technical pattern gives the confirmation that it will be a sharp selling, and we got some sharp selling opportunities too. For me, for a safer time, this was a zone and we had to book here, and the trade got booked over here. All right, let us see the next one. USDJPY. See, formation of a bottom, neckline retested, and once again when the neckline got broken, we got to notice to have a pullback retest at this zone, and we got a great pullback. All right, so these are some patterns which are formed in the forex, especially in the currency pairs. See, USD CHF, bottom formation, double bottom formation over here, a pullback and a good trailing trade. All right, here also a zone formation. See, this is a zone. See this line, trace this line over here. It got broken over here, retested. After retesting, we got an entry and we made some trade over here too. Okay. So I hope you are able to learn, and you are able to learn with my analysis and the teaching that I'm giving you online. Though this is not the same content that I'll be giving in the course, because course is from the beginning to the advanced level. All right, the videos, the content I'm discussing on YouTube is all the advanced thing. Okay, I'm not going to the depths over here, but still I do give the levels, the crucial levels, the critical levels. Okay, AUD USD. See, a good breakout, target done. This is the pattern. Now it is going in a channel. Now we need to wait and watch. See, NZDAUD, pullback retest, couldn't sustain. After this closing, we entered and we got a good trading trade, and still it is going down. All right. See, USD card, a big rounding bottom formation. Okay, we got very trailing opportunities at this point, okay, entering here, then entering here, and a confirmation over here also, because it was a zone, and a confirmation over here to wait for the retest and breakout, entered here, and still the trade is on. Okay, it's a business wherein patience is the most important thing. See, silver. Let me take figure 1 hour time frame. See how so beautiful silver is working. It is forming a zone over here. Okay, now we'll wait to test this bottom. This, okay, this is a zone. All right, this is a demand zone which will be testing. If we are closing below this support level of 18.09055, again we'll be giving some opportunity to short it. Okay, now see, similarly in gold, getting rejection from this swing level, as we discussed in the last two test sessions, that this level is a crucial one, and if this swing level is broken 1661, then there is no support before 50 point shortfall 1611. All right, So be cautious, and we are going to get some good trades in gold. Okay. Now let us see Bitcoin. See, go in 5 minutes time frame. See, isn't it great? The retest this zone formation, rejection from the zone. The standard is the confirmation, and here we got 100% confirmation, and the trade is on, and still we get achieved our target over here. It's all game of patience. I'm showing in the 5 minute time frame to you. Okay. See, similarly in Ethereum, the zone was retested, and the sellers are sitting there. We got a good triple top formation over here, and shorting is on. Sol. Similarly in Sol also. See, this is the PNB Binance. Same pattern in Binance also, and let us see Matic. See, same pattern in Matic also. Getting rejection from the historical trend line, which is bearish. Okay, it gave a confirmation here, and we kept shorting, and the trade is still on because the last swing was also broken, and this is a zone where it is testing. If this level is also broken, 0.7327 is broken, again it will be falling like a falling knife. Now let us see US oil. See, consolidation is on, and we got a good breakdown, and see who says that we couldn't get this breakdown. See, this was a zone. This was a zone. See, isn't it? See, here's this whole line. Okay. Excuse me. See, this was a zone, got a rejection and sharp falling. We got a good selling opportunity. Alright, so this is today's performance and performance report for the indices, forex pairs, commodities, oil, and crypto. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video, in which we'll be discussing the analysis and levels for all these charts, all the 19 charts that we discussed. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying the learning and earning process, and many people are enrolling for the course too. Just enroll for the course because the seats are filling up with a great pace. Okay, so I'll see you in the sessions. Till then, keep trading, keep a proper intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, I'm fine now. My health is okay now. I'm feeling much better. Okay, so see you in the next one.